So I gotta let you know.
Oh boy, that has usually been a...
I'm going to take a stop at Stroud early.
I adjust myself.
I'm just going to adjust.
What?
Last time, that didn't go
I know.
Almost got one.
No faster.
Woo.
Slow. Good, and walk.
Caught one!
Hannah, come over here.
I caught one though.
Okay.
I caught one!
I'll tell you when to start trotting.
What's he doing now?
He's tired. He's going to trot through the water. That's it. Okay, trot, trot.
Slow down.
Yep. Keep your leg on. Keep trotting. Come on, Bruce. Come on, Bruce. There you go.